Hey, so report. This is Brittany Xavier, and I'm here with my daughter, Jaden. We are going to try to attempt to make cloud bread. We saw it on TikTok a while ago. We never got around to making it, so we thought it would be fun to try it out together. Let's see how it tastes. So far this recipe has been overall really easy, and the texture is so satisfying how fluffy it is. We tried to make it into a cloud shape to cook it, but that was a little difficult, so
now it's a heart.
We're going for a heart. We're gonna put it in the oven and see how it turns out. My mouth's watering because it smells
delicious. It is so fluffy. It's good.
We could have made it a bigger quantity next time.
Yeah.
This is just fun to try it. Ooh, we should make cupcakes next time too.
Okay.
All right. Thanks for watching. We're gonna eat the rest of this. Bye.
Bye.